A dull blade when you need to open a package. No knife when camping. The wrong tool for daily tasks. A quality pocket knife solves small problems before they become frustrations. Whether you need a reliable everyday carry, a lightweight outdoor companion, or a precision tool built for serious use, the right pocket knife delivers confident cutting performance that fits in your pocket. We've tested the best pocket knives to find which ones deliver sharp edges, reliable mechanisms, and genuine everyday value. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Sia Vivi Yonder. Outstanding value doesn't mean compromising on quality. And this mid-size folder proves that convincingly, winning Blade Show's Best Buy of the Year award shortly after its debut. The Spay Point blade handles food prep, carving, and detailed work with versatile geometry that daily users appreciate. 14C28N stainless steel delivers genuine performance at accessible pricing. Corrosion resistance, impressive durability, decent edge retention, and easy resharpening when needed. Micarta handles provide comfortable, secure grip that improves with use. The crossbar lock engages reliably under load, while caged ceramic ball bearings deliver fluid, satisfying opening and closing action that feels premium despite the accessible price. At 6.62 inches overall, this hits the sweet spot between compact carry and practical usability. Larger hands benefit from jimping along the blade spine, enabling a secure 3-finger grip for demanding tasks. For anyone wanting a genuinely capable everyday folder with quality steel, smooth action, and comfortable ergonomics at a price that makes the decision effortless, this delivers exceptional value that's difficult to challenge. Number 5. Opinel No. 08 Inox. 135 years of continuous production is the most honest review any knife can receive. When a design survives unchanged for over a century, it's not nostalgia keeping it alive, it's performance that genuinely delivers for generation after generation. This French classic arrives at a price that seems impossible in today's market, yet it's the real deal. Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel won't win edge retention competitions against modern premium steels, but it sharpens effortlessly and resists corrosion reliably through years of daily use. The factory edge arrives surprisingly sharp, better than some knives costing considerably more. The ViroBlock locking ring is elegantly simple. Rotate it and the blade is physically blocked from closing on your fingers. No springs, no small parts, no complexity. The 3.28-inch blade handles food prep, camp tasks, and everyday cutting with quiet confidence. Nothing fancy, nothing unnecessary. Just a sharp blade and a wooden handle that fits naturally in hand. For anyone needing a reliable daily carry, a timeless classic worth gifting freely, or proof that great knives don't require premium pricing, this delivers 135 years of honest performance at a price that feels almost criminal. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Companion. The pocket multi-tool reimagined for modern urban life. While classic Swiss Army knives serve the backcountry, this refined version prioritizes daily problems city dwellers actually encounter, solved elegantly in a package that disappears into any pocket. 16 tools packed into 2.9 ounces creates a genuinely portable toolbox. The standard blade handles cutting reliably, while sharp scissors tackle loose threads and packaging with precision single-blade folders can't match. A pressurized ballpoint pen handles quick notes without hunting for a separate pen. A dedicated box opener rounds out the modern urban toolkit. Martensitic stainless steel construction delivers legendary Victorinox durability. Rust-resistant, polished, built to last decades. The quality that defines Swiss manufacturing shines through every tool interaction. The absence of a Phillips head screwdriver is the one notable gap in an otherwise comprehensive everyday toolkit. For urban commuters, office workers, or anyone wanting one discrete pocket tool handling daily problems without bulk or complication, this delivers Victorinox reliability in its most city-ready configuration. Number 3. Kershaw Bel Air Pocket Knife. Premium steel at a mid-range price breaks the assumption that exceptional blade materials require flagship investment. MagnaCut steel. Celebrated for its extraordinary balance of edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance, arrives here at a price that makes exploring the premium knife world genuinely accessible. The reverse Tanto blade runs impressively thin at just 0.9 inches. a specification typically reserved for boutique makers and high-end production knives. Aluminum handles with grippy scales and Cerakote finish create comfortable, secure grip through demanding use. The Duralock mechanism provides reliable lockup with reassuring engagement. Numerous moving parts can accumulate debris under extreme conditions, worth noting for rough environments. The blackwash blade finish develops character with use, shifting toward that satisfying, trusted working tool aesthetic. American-made construction at current street pricing makes this one of the most compelling value propositions in the premium pocket knife conversation. For anyone curious about the MagnaCut experience without premium price anxiety, this is the obvious entry point. Number 2. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. If you could carry only one folding knife for the rest of your life, this is the answer most experienced enthusiasts arrive at eventually. Not because it's flashy or new, but because it works for everything, every time, without compromise. The iconic thumb hole transforms one-handed deployment into an instinctive, effortless motion that becomes second nature within days of carry. The compression lock provides rock-solid lockup that holds firm under serious pressure and demanding tasks that reveal lesser locks for what they are. The 3.44-inch blade strikes a brilliant balance between robust capability and refined utility, handling tough cutting tasks while remaining controlled enough for precise everyday work. Numerous steel and handle configurations span a wide price range, letting you choose your entry point into the Paramilitary 2 family. The thin tip deserves honest acknowledgement. It can snap under extreme lateral stress, making this better suited for slicing than prying. 2 decades of continuous production and unwavering community enthusiasm say everything. Timeless classics earn that designation through consistent, reliable performance, and this knife has earned its legendary status many times over. Number 1. Benchmade Bugout. The knife that's always in your pocket because you genuinely forget it's there. At just 1.85 ounces with a handle barely half an inch wide, this achieves a carrying experience that redefines everyday carry. Present when needed, invisible when not. That featherlight presence doesn't compromise practical capability. The 3.24-inch drop point S30V blade handles cord cutting, food prep, and everyday utility with confident reliability. S30V steel delivers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance that justifies Benchmade's position as one of America's most trusted knife makers. The axis lock deploys and closes smoothly one-handed, becoming genuinely instinctive after days of carry. Customization options set this apart from virtually every competitor. Upgraded steels, alternative handles, custom blade finishes, and personalized designs transform this into a uniquely yours everyday companion. The lightweight handle flexes under heavy pressure. This is a refined EDC and hiking tool, not a heavy-use construction knife. Know what you're buying. For hikers, backpackers, and everyday carry enthusiasts wanting the lightest, most packable performance folder from a legendary American maker, this remains the quintessential pocket knife. So there you have it, 6 exceptional pocket knives covering every style and budget. If this video helped you choose the perfect pocket knife, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews and everyday carry guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to always having the right tool at hand.